Welcome once again to Unboxing, Unscripted, Unfiltered. And as always, this video is brought to you by Kunuko Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. You know, some people say that sorry is the hardest word, well, to say. But I disagree because you don't have to say sorry if you're always right. So, make the right decision. Choose Kunuko Coffee. What did I get? Oh no, sorry. Kunuko Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. I didn't make a mistake there, so I'm not gonna apologize. Okay, so this is another box, and this one is coming from, well, where else? China. Many people are expecting already that I've been reviewing a lot of very affordable watches. Okay, some people throw in the C word very liberally. I don't want to say cheap when it's not subpar in quality, but you know, I mean, like I've reviewed some subpar quality watches already before, so that is also not wrong to say, I guess. But you know, people call me out for many things, and I don't want to make excuses about it. Anyway, whatever. Stop rambling, Jason. Let's see. I don't want to spill my coffee though. Why is this box so big? What is this? That is okay. That's a big box. Within a box. And that's the brand there, Geya. Geya, guys. Geya. Stop snickering. I know, Bob, you're snickering again. Stop it. And yeah, you know, Chinese brands, they have this weird way of naming things. I don't know. I don't get it either. They seem to fail always when it comes to naming. This one doesn't even want to come out. Let me see. I need to cut it. This is a big box. Look at it. Okay. So what's up with this? Let's see. Okay. Whoa. All right. Okay, my expectations are jumping up a little bit now. What's this? Oh, magnetic. How long do I need to wait to get to see the actual watch? What is okay? Extra strap there, as you can see. Oh, I've never seen this kind of strap attachment. Okay, this is the first time that somebody sent me a mounted. Look at that. Okay, so this brand is so cool. They'll send you an actual mount. Oh wait, it's actually heavy. We have to see it. Look at that. That's an actual ceramic figurine or something of sorts. I think that's the Everest. I don't even know what the Everest looks like. I just know it's a very high mountain. Okay, that is more foam, and it has, look at that. It has a protective cover. Ooh, okay. I wasn't expecting that. That's a very clear. Oh, okay, wait. There's even plastic in there. Let's see. Oh, but this watch is also very light. Let me see how we can remove this plastic. This plastic is like beating me to smithereens. Let's remove that. And it's very hard to remove. Okay. Let's take this out. I mean, okay, so there's some stuff here. Warranty cards as the usual, and some cleaning cloth. Let's take that massive box out. Okay, and there's a tag. Let's remove the tag also. All right. Okay, so this seems to be one of those Richard Mille homages once again. And this is very light, but the cool thing about it, I guess, that's the first thing that I could mention is how clear this case is. Now, this case, I'm not sure. I'm definitely sure that this is not sapphire crystal, otherwise this would cost like a fortune. But this is definitely not sapphire crystal. However, whatever material this may be, it's really clear, and you could see the movement there. It's an automatic movement. It's skeletonized. Oh, okay. I'm actually pretty surprised at the I'm surprised at how clicky yet smooth that feels. Okay. And that is not a tourbillon, guys. That is just an open balance wheel. But because of the skeletonization, there's a lot of open space within that dial. Let's see. That's a satisfying snap. Did you guys hear that? Okay. My expectations are a little bit low for this one, but I'm already surprised at the quality of what I'm experiencing at the moment. That's a nice pop. You heard that pop. The caliber seems to be smooth, but I'm pretty sure this is a Chinese caliber, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure of that, but that's pretty cool. Okay, and then this is how you change the strap. Very easy to. Huh, okay, I'm surprised there at how easy it is to actually change. Now I wonder how that's going to hold. I hope it holds a lot. Okay, so it only, there you go. So there's a stopper there, and this is where the opening is going to be. So that's the only way you can slide it, okay? That's the only way you can slide it. Very intuitive. Okay, now look at this, a black DOT coated. It's a leaf spring too. Okay, so we're getting quite a bit of features already from Geya here. So many, like, remove all of these plastics. So much. Okay. Now let's estimate how. It's probably on my third button there. Yeah. Okay. Let's try it. Let's try it on. Of course, my 6 1/4 inch wrist. Okay, that's still too wide, too large. Let's see, at the very end, I guess. Oh, it's very soft. This rubber material is very soft. That's the extent of my wrist. This is definitely not for smaller wrists. If you have a 6 1/2 or maybe a 7-inch wrist, this would be way better. Oh, okay, that's massive. You can see my wrist is thoroughly engulfed by this. Oh, that's a very thick case, but it feels good. It feels very premium, surprisingly. Okay, so my expectations are very much. I'm very much surprised. My expectations are blown away. Not blown away, but it surpassed my expectations. Very good, and this is a very fun watch. Okay, at least this is going to be more than just a fun review. It will be an interesting review. I'm interested to find out what kind of material this is. But quick strap design, open dial there, skeletonization, very good looking watch. A very good alternative, especially if the price is right. I didn't check the price yet, so we'll have to see that as well. I'm surprised at the quality. I like it. Again, this is the Geya watch. I don't even know. What's the model name? I don't even remember the model. What's the model name? Let me see if I can find it. Oh, it's the Crystal Shell series. There you go. Thank you so much for my wife. You see, I don't apologize, but I appreciate. I show my gratitude as much as I can. Okay, so comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this Geya Crystal Shell series watch, and interesting and funny and maybe like actually informative comments will make it into the actual video review. Same place.